so big, so much to do and see. I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you. So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. Just like you, I'm gonna be me. Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
Being Kujo allows me to tap into my inner child. I have the opportunity to make more of a global impact in acting like a child than I ever did in acting as an adult.
When I saw the casting call for Kujo's Kids Zone, I was incredibly excited to see a program that was geared towards educating children as opposed to just entertaining them. I've seen the show evolve so much, including dealing with Orange Shirt Day and residential schools. I've seen it deal with Black Lives Matter, dealing with COVID-19, social distancing, how to wash your hands properly. And I feel like as those issues come up in the world, Kujo's Kids Zone is keeping on top of them and making sure that children are informed, they're aware of what's going on around them, and they can have those conversation pieces with their parents.
There's been a lot of work and a lot of thought behind every single episode. We have a program advisory board full of early childhood educators, we have psychologists, we have social workers. I know as a parent myself of a 4-year-old daughter that getting trusted and reliable sources of information is key, it's imperative.
For anyone who is looking to support Kujo's Kids Zone, you would be rewarding and encouraging kids to ask all sorts of questions, because when you are asking a question, there is the implicit hope that someone somewhere is going to have an answer to it.
It's so touching when a parent comes to me and they tell me that, hey, you know, I really struggled with talking about Pride or Black Lives Matter or Orange Shirt Day. Thank you for touching that subject. I had no idea how I was going to tackle that.
I think I'd say to someone who was thinking about supporting this campaign is that every generation tries to be better than the generation beforehand, and it is the role of the current generation to raise up the next generation to be even better than we are, and I think this show is really poised to do just that.
We've only been able to show the tip of the iceberg in terms of what we're capable of doing and what we're capable of touching on with Kujo's Kids Zone. We have so many things planned coming down the tubes, you know, representing all aspects of our community, our environment, issues at hand, and approaching them in such a genuine and honest way. And we're already doing it. Like, there are a lot of things right now that you may be seeing on KickStarter that are just at their very, very spark of genesis. We were there this time last year, but money has never been a hurdle to getting things started. Right now, it would definitely help us grow things broader. It will help us reach into new markets. It'll help us improve our technologies and the materials that we have at hand in order to bring higher quality, very cohesive programming to our very, very broad and diverse audience. But right now, you know, we're already running. We just want to keep going.
That saying that, you know, it takes a village, and it's going to take every single one of your efforts and contributions in order to